Choosing the right gaming monitor can be the difference between winning and losing. Whether you're into competitive gaming or immersive adventures, the perfect monitor can elevate your gameplay to new heights. Today we'll explore the best gaming monitors for different needs. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly break down what makes a monitor great for gaming. Refresh rate and response time are critical. Higher refresh rates, like 144 Hz or 240 Hz, make for smoother gameplay, especially in fast-paced games. Next up is resolution and panel type. For crisp visuals, you can choose between 1080p, 1440p, or 4K, and each has its pros and cons. TN panels are fast, but offer poorer colors, while IPS panels provide better visuals at slightly slower response times. Adaptive sync technology like G-Sync or FreeSync can also be game changers, eliminating screen tearing for a smoother experience. And of course, the size and aspect ratio of your monitor can significantly impact your immersion, especially with ultra-wide displays. Let's now look at some top picks. For competitive gamers, the Asus ROG Swift PG259QN is unbeatable with its 360 Hz refresh rate, 1080p resolution, and G-Sync support, ensuring every frame counts. If immersion is your thing, the Samsung Odyssey G9 is your best bet. With a massive 49-inch curved display, 1440p resolution, and a 240 Hz refresh rate, this monitor pulls you right into the game. For gamers on a budget, the AOC 24G2 offers a fantastic 144 Hz refresh rate at 1080p with FreeSync support, making it an excellent choice for those who want great performance without breaking the bank. And for those seeking top-notch visuals, the LG UltraGear 27G N950 is the ultimate 4K monitor. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and nano IPS technology, it delivers stunning colors and sharpness. Beyond the specs, consider additional features like HDR support for better contrast, ergonomics for comfortable long gaming sessions, and multiple connectivity options to suit your setup. So which gaming monitor is the best? It depends on your gaming style and budget. Whether you're into competitive gaming, immersive adventures, or just want the best visuals, there's a monitor for you. Let us know in the comments which monitor you think is the best, or if you have any other recommendations. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gaming content. Thanks for watching.